Hello, friends. Welcome to Englogo.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Englogo, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
It's great to see you too, Paul. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you, but I feel a little tired.
Tired already? It's still afternoon.
I know. I had a very busy morning. What about you, Emily? How are you?
I'm fantastic. I feel really happy today.
You always seem happy. What's the reason today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee with me, a large hot coffee.
Oh, that makes sense. I'm having green tea today.
Green tea is a great choice, too. Before we start our conversation, let's say hello to everyone listening. Yes, absolutely. Welcome, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
If you're enjoying our podcast, don't forget to hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Englogo. We create simple English conversations every week.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, share it with someone who is learning English.
That's right. Learning with friends is always more fun.
So, Emily, what are we talking about today?
Nothing special. Just a friendly conversation about our week.
My favorite kind of episode.
Mine too. They're relaxed and easy to understand.
Well, Emily, my week hasn't been very relaxing.
Oh? What happened?
Work has been keeping me busy.
Busy with a new project?
Exactly. Our team started a new project on Monday.
That sounds exciting.
It would be exciting if there weren't so many deadlines.
Uh-oh. Deadlines are never fun.
Tell me about it. We had 2 meetings yesterday and another one this morning.
That's a lot of meetings.
Way too many. By the end of the day, everyone looked exhausted.
What is the project about?
We're trying to improve customer service for our company.
That sounds important.
It is, but there are many ideas and everyone has a different opinion.
Let me guess. Tom has a lot of opinions.
You know Tom very well.
Of course. He's the most talkative person in the office.
That's true. And now he's working closely with Sarah.
The new employee?
Yes. Sarah is very organized and likes everything to be planned.
While Tom prefers to do things his own way.
Exactly. Sometimes they work well together, and sometimes they disagree.
Did something happen?
During yesterday's meeting, they had different ideas about the project.
Oh no.
Nothing serious, but the atmosphere became a little awkward.
Workplace disagreements can be uncomfortable.
I know. Hopefully things will be better tomorrow.
I'm sure they will. Tom is friendly and Sarah seems reasonable.
I hope so. The project will be much easier if everyone works together.
Well, Paul, I hope the project goes smoothly.
Thanks, Emily. I hope so too.
And I'm sure they'll figure things out soon.
Me too. A happy team is always a better team.
That's true.
Anyway, enough about work. I don't want to think about projects anymore today.
Good idea. Let's talk about something fun.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking about meeting some friends and maybe watching a movie.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
Honestly, I just want to stay home, order some food, and get some rest.
Sometimes that's the perfect weekend.
Absolutely.
Wow, Paul, look at the time.
You're right. Time goes by so quickly when we're chatting.
It really does.
I had a great time talking with you today.
Me too. These conversations are always fun.
And thank you to everyone who listened to today's episode.
Yes, thank you so much for spending your time with us.
We hope you enjoyed this simple English conversation.
And we hope it helped you practice your listening skills.
Don't forget to subscribe to Englogo for more English conversations.
And give this episode a like if you enjoyed it.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
That's right. Tell us in the comments.
What was the most interesting thing that happened to you this week? We'd love to read your answers. Thanks again for listening.
Take care. Keep practicing English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.